Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to record a Google Meet video call on your phone with audio included. Step 1. Download the Screen Recorder app. If you're using Android, head to the Play Store and search for X Recorder or AZ Screen Recorder. These apps are free and reliable. Make sure to allow microphone access so it captures the audio too. For iPhone users, you can use the built-in screen recorder, but we'll get to that in a second. Step 2. Adjust audio setting. Open the screen recorder app, go into settings, set the audio source to microphone plus internal audio, if supported. Note, some Android versions don't allow internal audio. X Recorder works better on newer phones. Step 3. Start Google Meet. Launch your Google Meet app. Join or start your meeting. Step 4. Start recording. Swipe down and tap your screen recorder toggle or open the app and tap record. Make sure the screen recorder is capturing both video and sound. Step 5. Stop recording. Once done, stop the recording and it will be saved to your gallery. That's it. Now you got a full recording of your Google Meet call with video and audio right on your phone. Hope this video helps and thank you for watching.